Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the three popular terms in the world of artificial intelligence: generative AI, AI agents, and agentic AI. They might sound complicated, but my goal today is to explain them in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what each one is. So let's begin. Part 1: Generative AI, the creative artist. First, let's talk about a generative AI. Imagine an artist. You give this artist a topic like a happy cat in the gardens, and the artist creator a brand new painting of you. Generative AI is just like that creative artist. It can create a new things, it can write a new story, generate a new image, or even compose a new songs. The brain behind this is a large language model or LLM. This model has earned from a huge amount of data from the internet, like books and articles. So when you ask to like ChatGPT to write an article, it's using a generative AI to create something completely new for you. But this artist has limitation. Its knowledge is from the past. If you ask it what is the weather like right now, it cannot answer. Why? Because it doesn't have access to live real-time information. It only knows what is has learned before. Part 2: the AI agent, the helpful assistance. So what happens when we give our creative artists some tools? This brings us to our second term, the AI agent. Think of an AI agent as a helpful assistant. This assistant not only has a brain, the LLM, but it also has tools to interact with the world. What are these tools? Tools could be access the internet or a connection to a weather website or flight booking system. So now, if you ask this assistant what is the cheapest flight to London for tomorrow, it will not just guess. It will use its internet search tool to check live prices. It can find the cheapest flight and even book it for you if you ask. The key difference is that an AI agent can take action. It completes a specific task for you. It is not just answering a question, it's doing something. Usually this task is simple and well defined, like book a flight or order a pizza. Part 3: Agentic AI, the smart project manager. Now let's take it to the final level. What if you have a really big and complex goal? This is where Agentic AI comes in. Think of Agentic AI as a smart project manager. This manager doesn't just task. It handles a big project with many steps. Often, this project manager leads a team of different agents. For example, imagine you say, plan my entire 3 days vacations to Paris. This is a complex goal. An agentic AI system would break it down into a smaller task. 1. First, a travel agent would search for flights and hotels that fit your budget. 2. Next, it might use a weather agent to check the weather forecast in Paris for these dates and suggest what clothes to pack. Number 3, finally, a calendar agent would create with famous places to visit and add it to your personal calendar. Do you see difference? Agentic AI is all about planning, reasoning, and coordinating multiple steps to achieve a complex goal. It can work autonomously and on a big project from start to finish. Summary. So let's do a quick summary. Generative AI is the creator. It makes new content like text or images. An AI agent is a doer. It uses tools to complete one specific action. An agentic AI is a project manager. It plans and manages complex multi-steps project. And we move from generative AI to agentic AI. The systems became more powerful and more autonomous and can solve much more complex problem for us. I hope this simple explanation was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy explanations about the AI. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.